In this video, I'll show you how you can import an existing MetaMask wallet using your seed phrase. Okay, so first we're going to have to re-download MetaMask. So I'm on Google, on Chrome, and I'm just going to search here for MetaMask, and we can go ahead and go to the official MetaMask website, which is metamask.io. Now by doing it this way, we know that we're on the right website and we're on the right track. Now we can click on Get MetaMask, and it will then redirect us to our browser's web store. I'm on Google Chrome, so we are here on the web store. Click Add to Chrome or Download, depending on what browser you're on, and make sure you then click Add Extension, and just be patient, let it download and open up itself. So in about 15 seconds, it will open up automatically. So here we are, it's now loading. Now what we need to do is agree to the terms, and then you can click Import an existing wallet, and by doing that, you can either agree or not agree to this. I'm going to click no thanks. By doing that, you can import your 12-word phrase. Now you are going to need this saved, obviously. I've got mine here. Now don't reveal this to anyone, this is just for the tutorial. But what you can do, instead of typing it in manually, you can just copy the whole thing, click on any box, right click and paste, and it will add your phrase to all of these boxes. You can then confirm your secret recovery phrase and enter in a new password. Once you've done that, check this box to understand that you cannot recover your password, then click Import My Wallet, and then click Done. Now MetaMask will have been installed, and you should now be able to see it. Now if you want to view this in the future, go to the puzzle icon in the top right, and then you can click on MetaMask, and it will open up the extension here. So that's all you need to do.